Every food has its shape, but sometimes these shapes aren't very obvious. Welcome to the Geometric Shape Food Challenge on DaRaDa. I'll be first. Oh no! Don't look!
Come on!
Let's open already. But there's a cactus. I don't want to eat cactus. It's so prickly. Hey! Now my whole mouth is covered in needles, and I didn't even get one bite.
Ow! Come on!
Don't whine, eat faster. First, I need to get rid of these needles. That's it. I can get rid of these needles right now. I can cut them with normal scissors. Not bad, great idea. What did you think? I'm super smart. Ew, how gross. Turns out the needles aren't the problem. The taste is way worse. Ew, Mary, now the whole room smells. Whatever, open yours. Just look at this delicious ice cream. I want to eat it now. Stop, don't eat anything. Why? Because the ice cream is round. And who has round food? I do. So you don't get to eat these scoops. They're mine. How tasty.
What a fuck!
So it's like that. I'm gonna get you. How do you like your ice cream with some hot air? What now? How do you like that ice cream? I, of course, wanted to eat it like it is, but Mary won't let me. So now I'm gonna have to get mean. What happened? Why did my ice cream melt? It's because it's mine. See, the triangle cone. Now all this ice cream is mine. Looks tasty. Of course it is. What are you looking at, Chelsea?
Come on!
Only you left. That's right. How lucky. What a surprise. Just look at this big appetizing sandwich. There's so many delicious ingredients. It tastes like a dream. Melts in my mouth. What's dripping? Think ketchup.
What?
Come on. And it's so tasty. I need to get that sandwich. And I know how. What's with you, Mary? Me? Nothing. You guys figured that out, and this sandwich is mine. Look what Clarissa's doing to your food. Hey you, what are you doing? What? This sandwich is mine. See, it's a triangle, so it can't be yours. Got it? That means you decided to start a war. Well, you're gonna get a war. We'll see how you like this now. This is such a good sandwich. Oh, but there's something wrong! Help! Help! Come on, drink! And there's spicy sauce in the bottle. What have you done to me? Girls, don't fight. I'll be first. Look at this delicious cake.
Come on!
What do I have?
What?
Oh, Korean noodles. This is weird, but probably tasty. I got super lucky. I told you. I have such a tasty and appetizing pizza. And I'll eat first. Stop! See? You have berries on your cake, and they're round, so that means they're mine. So give them here.
What?
Berries? Round? So we're gonna be looking at everything now. Well, fine. Here are your berries. Catch!
Ow.
That mess looks great on you. Laugh all you want. Now the berries are mine.
What?
And I have tasty frosting. And a tasty cake. By the way, there's berries inside too. But I ate those. Very tasty. Mary, now it's your turn. That's it! I actually got really hungry, and these pieces of pizza are gonna be great. Pieces?
Wow.
That's it! They're in a triangle shape. All triangles are mine, so give me my pizza. No, I won't. It's mine. Don't even think about it.
No.
I'm thinking about it. Give it here.
What?
Hey! Hey!
Oh
Why are you fighting and I have to suffer? Not fair. But this pizza is still mine. Got it? I don't care whose pizza it is. It's all your fault, Mary. How could you? Thanks to you, I dropped my pizza. I'm gonna get you. Take that. And that. Enough! I hope it'll be tasty. Ah, we're gonna drown in noodles! Save us!
What?
Whose fault is this? Mary, you broke everything. Hey, these noodles aren't half bad. I like it. She's crazy, eating dry noodles.
What's the matter with you?
Let's open on 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Hooray, I'm lucky. Skittles.
Ooh la la.
Me too. Hubba bubba. I have a carrot. That's really weird.
Okay.
Agreed. Well, I'll eat first. First, I need to get rid of the wrappers. I did that fast. Now I need to fit all the gum in my mouth.
Cool.
But I don't want this to be too boring. So I'm gonna throw these up and catch them in my mouth. Whoa, you're a real pro. Thanks, girls. But that's not all. Time to blow a bubble. Not funny. That was just the first try. Thanks to you, I lost my gum. Ew, it's all in hair. I can't chew this. How gross. Well, it was still cool. Mary, your turn.
Okay.
Finally. I've dreamed of Skittles my whole life. So great that I got lucky. I love these candies. They're so bright and tasty. Why don't I do this in a way so that everyone can see the candy?
Come on!
Now you can watch and be jealous of my candy. It's really, really tasty.
Ooh la la.
So you want us to be jealous? You call yourself a friend. I know how to get you back. Stop! No! No! Achoo! Oh, I didn't mean that. Sorry.
What? What?
It's fine. At least now we can try the Skittles. Yeah, this turned out to be fun. I like it. But Clarissa still has a whole carrot. Eat.
Come on!
Fine, I'll try. This carrot is really tasty. Now I know why bunny rabbits like it so much.
Cool.
Oh,
What?
there's something wrong. Ah! It was a poison carrot. Now I'm an evil bunny. I'll eat you all, not the carrot. Ah! Bunny attack! Let's go run! Scaredy cats. It was just a mask.
What? What?
Weird. Where's that smoke coming from? I think it's coming from here. Of course! It's fresh waffles. What do you have?
Come on!
I have a watermelon. And it's huge. Ah! My pepper! And it's not small. Whoa, cool. That means you try.
Come on!
No, please. It's so spicy. Let's hope everything will be okay.
Okay.
That's not enough. Bite more. Dang. More, even more. Maybe that's enough. I feel sick. That looks scary. I'm on fire, help! Don't burn us, be careful. I think it's done. I can eat. Ah, my waffle! This is all Clarissa's fault. We need to put you out. Give me that watermelon. Where? What will I eat? Whew, that's much better. Finish your watermelon. There's nothing left. Oh, no, there is. Cool. That means I can take a bite. I don't have anything left. You can find more fun challenges on DaRaDa. Stay with us, it'll be fun.